The moment life ends, an extraordinary and often misunderstood scientific process begins: decomposition. While death may appear to be an ending in nature, it is actually a transformation, a complex biological journey where the body becomes part of the ecosystem once again. Decomposition starts within minutes after death when the heart stops pumping oxygen-rich blood to cells. Without oxygen, cells can no longer produce energy and they begin to break down. Enzymes that once helped digest food now start digesting the body itself, a process called autolysis. Cells swell, membranes rupture, and tissues slowly lose their structure. This internal breakdown is followed closely by putrefaction, driven by trillions of bacteria that were already living inside the body, especially in the gut. While alive, our immune system keeps these microbes under control, but after death, they multiply rapidly, feeding on tissues and releasing gases like methane, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia. These gases cause bloating, a common early sign of decomposition, and create the distinctive odor associated with decay. As pressure builds, fluids may be pushed out through the nose and mouth, a natural result of gas expansion, rather than anything unnatural or frightening. Over time, insects become key players in this process. Blowflies are often the first to arrive, sometimes within hours, laying eggs in moist areas such as the mouth, eyes, or wounds. These eggs hatch into maggots, which consume soft tissues at remarkable speed. Though unsettling to many, maggots are incredibly efficient recyclers, helping return nutrients to the soil far faster than bacteria alone. As decomposition progresses, beetles, mites, and other insects arrive in waves, each specializing in different stages of decay. Environmental conditions strongly influence how fast all of this happens. Heat accelerates chemical reactions and microbial growth, making decomposition much faster in warm climates, while cold temperatures slow it dramatically. In dry environments, bodies may dehydrate and become mummified, while in wet, oxygen. Poor conditions, a rare process, can turn body fat into a waxy substance called adipose, preserving tissues for years. Eventually, most soft tissues are consumed or broken down, leaving behind bones, which themselves slowly weather and return minerals like calcium and phosphorus to the earth. From a scientific perspective, decomposition is not wasteful or meaningless, it is essential. The nutrients released feed plants, microorganisms, and entire food chains supporting new life. Forests, grasslands, and even oceans depend on this continuous recycling of matter. In this way, life after death is not symbolic but literal. The atoms that once formed a living person are reused to build new organisms, from bacteria and insects to plants and animals. Modern forensic science studies decomposition closely, using its predictable stages to estimate time since death and understand circumstances surrounding it. Far from being a dark mystery, decomposition is a finely balanced natural system operating with precision and purpose. It reminds us that life is part of a continuous cycle where nothing truly disappears but instead changes form. Understanding the science of decomposition helps replace fear with knowledge and reveals a profound truth of nature. Even after death, life continues, transformed, redistributed, and reborn through the living world. If you found this exploration of life after death through science informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the hidden processes that shape our world.